I want to begin by saying it is a great honour to stand before all of you on this day of celebration, where we are gathered to recognise the outstanding achievements of St. Paul's College. To my peers beside me today, and to all members of the class of 2022, I extend my congratulations on your achievements and wish you the best of luck with your future endeavours. Your hard work and continued effort have placed you in the position you are today, setting you up for further success tomorrow. On behalf of the class of 2022, I'd like to extend a thank you to all of our supporters, starting with our families, who educated us during the earliest stages of life. We thank you for the opportunities you've given us and for all the sacrifices you make, molding us into the people we are today. We love and appreciate you. To our teachers, your support through our respective journeys was invaluable, and you have forged memories that will last a lifetime. Your dedication, hours of sacrifice, and compassionate hearts have enabled every member of the class of 2022 to reach their potential as individuals and as scholars. From Mr. Ryan, who gave me the initial push to become a student leader in Year 9, to Ms. Newen, who played an integral role in helping me discover my love for language and writing, I thank you. Whether we just shared chat in the yard or you taught me during my time here, you have influenced me more than you know. To every staff member of St. Paul's, I thank you. In particular, Mr. Muscat, you're convincing me to do Stage 2 Modern History for subject selection keeping before Year 12 was crucial to my success. You're armed with limitless knowledge in the realm of history, and continuously sacrificing your recess time maintained your pursuit to ensure the highest level of success for all of your students. With your endless support, constantly pushing me to do the best I could, I was able to achieve merit in the subject, and I hope I made you proud. Over the years, St. Paul's has contributed to and shaped every facet of me as a person, instilling leadership ideals, integrity, academic excellence, and most importantly, a great deal of respect. Now, I've been blessed with the opportunity to join the staff of this great college, allowing me to give back to the community that shaped who I have become. I want to grant others the amazing opportunities that were afforded to me, although I have to admit, it still feels a bit strange to call my former teachers by their first name. But one day I might be brave enough to call Mr. Belton Paul. To the current Year 12s, I wish you the greatest success in your studies this year. Work extremely hard, but relish every moment. In an interview that I recently did with the Southern Cross newspaper, I gave the following quote, a sentiment which I think rings especially true for the Year 12s. Don't forget to indulge in the things that make us human. Spend time with family and with friends. Do things that bring joy. Do not become a slave to the notion that you must spend every waking moment buried in a book in order to succeed. And I know you've probably heard this 1,000 times and will probably hear it another 1,000 henceforth, but for good reason. Get involved with as much as you can and always put forth your best effort with your studies and beyond. As our great principal, Paul Belton, has maintained, the only time success comes before work is in the dictionary. With the new facilities we have, accompanied with the new projects underway, all students from reception to Year 12 are set up for success at this great college. I wish everyone present today continued success. I wish to leave everyone here with one last reminder. Do not be afraid. This is a phrase which appears in the Bible 365 times. So do not be afraid every single day. Do not be afraid to let your personality shine or to stand up in the face of adversity. Most importantly, do not be afraid to Surta Bonum Satan, fight the good fight. It's been an honour to address you one last time, this time as the College Ducks. Thank you, and God bless.